Thinking of using Animaker to create your next animated video? It promises pro-level results with no design experience needed, but does it really deliver? Let's dig into what users are actually saying. Quick disclaimer before we begin: everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Animaker is a drag-and-drop animation tool aimed at beginners, marketers, and educators. It offers pre-built templates, character customization, and voiceover features. The interface looks clean and user-friendly, especially for people who don't want to learn complex software like After Effects. Now for the user feedback on Trustpilot, Animaker has a 2.3-star rating from over 550 reviews. Some users love the ease of use and quick results for simple videos. Others, however, complain about laggy performance, limited free options, and slow customer support. Animaker isn't a scam. It does what it says, especially for basic animations. But if you're expecting high-end polish or advanced control, you might feel a bit limited. It's solid for beginners, but probably not ideal for pro creators or large-scale projects. Tried Animaker before? Drop your thoughts below, and if you're looking for more honest reviews like this one, stick around.